Another video of Terreria, and this is going to be episode 1 of the series of the survival. Yeah, we're gonna call this series the survival. And don't forget to check out my other series. Also, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm breaking something. If you hear those weird sounds. But right now, we need to go look for. Oh yeah, the reason why I have stuff already is because I had bugs. I was trying to make videos, ran out of storage, and bad stuff happened. So yeah. So don't be like, hey, what happened? And stuff. And y'all wanted me to have better equipment, so I have better equipment. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Because I really just need one more subscriber so I can make a Minecraft video. That's what my channel's all about. I'm supposed to be making Minecraft videos, not random just videos. So, yeah. We need to go explore our world. First, we need to go for a mining trip. Okay, so if you're wondering what we need to go find, we need to go find some one piece of lead so we can make some wait a second, I got iron. Wait, I need to go see if I can smoke that iron and make some cool stuff. Okay, jump up here. Uh-oh. Enemy ahead. Okay, got it. Oh, what is that green slime hitting me for? Okay, something like that. And then go. No. Also, comment below what we should do next. And don't forget to download this game if you really like it. But you have to pay for it, so don't be like, hey, it's not for free. So don't be mad. I'm warning you now. Like probably under $5. Okay, but we're gonna have a new material. Okay, so got some iron. Three pieces of iron. What's this? Can we craft this? We need 5 iron. Only have 3. Okay, mission. Go find some iron. I think it's just laying down. Let's go to our mini cave right here. So let's go down here and let's go mine. Sorry, fish. Execute my heart. And there's kindness everywhere. Oh no, there's a zombie. Zombies are deadly since I have a weak sword. Wait, is that something? Okay, let's check my inventory. Let's go pick that here. Okay, let's go to torches. Okay. So right now there's nothing under us. So, yeah. You're still a zombie, so that's going to be some trouble. And here's my sister. She made some stuff. She wants me to try. Do you like it? What is it?
I don't know. Something on me. Here you go. Here.
Wait, put it on the floor.
No, because else don't eat it. Get out!
Well, that's my sister.
Get out.
Ooh.
No.
She just served me some candy. I don't know why, but she did. Okay, but back to the game. That was really awkward. I was not expecting that. But let's heal. Let's start digging. I don't think we might find all the iron today. I always say that we won't find everything today. There's some tin ore. Okay, why not? Come on, when are we gonna find a cave? Okay, let's torch it. No cave yet? Okay, hey cow. He's our little friend. Saying stuff. What can I? Okay, it will take you forever to find a cave. Really doesn't take that long. It really doesn't. I'm serious. What's taking forever? Come on. Will I find anything? Like, I found nothing right now. I wish I can just pause it and wait. Okay, I'm all the way to full health. Still found nothing. This pickaxe is slow. Ay. Wait, what is that? Y'all see that? I'm digging straight to it. Hope that's something really nice. I never seen a red light. Oh, I think that's iron. Iron, I see iron. I see a whole bunch of iron. Oh, this is the puck old. Oh no, I see you, zombie. I see it good. It's stupid though. Because it's a zombie. But what's that red stuff though? I don't know. Wait, is that a heart? Oh my god, is that a... Oh my god, that's actually a... That's a colossal thing. Those things are dangerous. They are. I'm serious. The music just changed for me. Can't hear them. Okay, so I want to go get the iron and then our mission will be successful. Da, 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 da. Yay, iron for the win. Then we can craft the anvil and craft whatever we want. Not whatever we want. That's taking us hours. But I didn't know iron was right underneath me. Finally, we're here. Oh, it took us 4 minutes or so. All the iron that we need. All of it. All of it that we need. I know if I have leftovers, I could probably craft some more stuff. Like iron tools and iron everything. Probably some lead stuff. Oh, what was that? Something just died down there. So all I know is that this is not just the one little hole thing I found. Okay, this should be enough iron. Okay. Okay, so I'm going back to the surface. And then we'll see our beautiful house again. Not that beautiful. It's just small. Come on, parkour up there. Yes, slightly. Yay, we're back. See, my person even puts his hands in the air. Woohoo! No, I don't want you nibbling on my butt. Don't you dare nibble on my butt. Or my face. That thing's weird. No. No, don't you dare. Get my house. My house is safe. Okay, so. That's here. Come on. Go here. Yay. All the iron in the world. It's right here. Yeah, we have enough to make have enough to make more than 5. 10. We have 9. I mean, no. Okay, let's go here. Anvil craft. Mission is successful. All in one episode. So let's see what we can craft. Because I know it's some weapons. Ooh, look at all these new weapons. Gold? Wait, no, that's 10. Well, ooh, it's just nice. That's copper. That's 8. That does 8. 10. Okay, let's craft this. Hey, we have a new weapon. We have the iron short sword. Wow, that's a weird name. Works weirdly. Wow, 7 damage. Kills it like a charm. That is what I am talking about. New weapon now found. Thanks to our lucky anvil. Woohoo! Okay, so sorry, but we have to end the episode here. Bye. See you on the next tutorial video. Terraria video. Bye.